Had a friend in Christian college, didn't live on campus, lived out in the country, a couple of acres of land, not far from those maze of rivers that are around Eugene, Oregon. And he said that frequently the migratory birds, the ducks and the geese, would land on his property. Apparently there were ponds all over his property, and he said it was always interesting to watch these flocks of birds come in and kind of take up residence in these different ponds on his property. But because it was Oregon, it would rain. And he said from time to time, those ducks, those geese would settle into their separate ponds, have nothing to do with each other. And then it would rain, and because of the amount of water, those ponds would flood, the water would rise, and those ducks would begin to mingle, those geese would begin to mingle. Before, they had been these separate little collections of migratory birds, and because of the rising of the water, suddenly they became one big community of geese, or one big community of ducks. And my friend said, you know, that seems to me to be a pretty good metaphor of how the Holy Spirit works. We live separately in our little communities, Baptists over there, Catholics over there, Lutherans over there, Mennonites over there, and we don't really have all that much to do with each other. And then the flood of the Holy Spirit washes in, obliterates those boundaries, raises the level of the water, and suddenly our flocks begin to mingle. I think it may be the most important thing in this season of Pentecost for us to do, and that is to allow ourselves to be raised above the boundaries that we have created, to find ourselves fellowshipping, conversing, and sharing matters of faith, not just with our tribe, not just with our flock, but with all of God's people. Find someone with whom you do not share denominational affiliation or affinities. Find someone who is spiritually different from yourself. Take them to lunch. Have a cup of coffee with them. Sit with them on a park bench. Talk about matters of faith and see how the Holy Spirit works. See how the Holy Spirit raises us to a whole new way of being God's people.